bands, each 25 MHz wide, have been assigned to GSM system. The frequency band between 890 and 915 MHz is used for transmission by mobile station to base station, that is uplink, whereas the band between 935 and 960 MHz is used for transmission from base station to mobile station, that is downlink. As we can see, a duplex transmission is realized in a frequency division duplex FDD mode. Both bands are divided into 124 frequency intervals of 200 kHz each with carrier frequencies in their centers. Time along each carrier is divided into 8 slots. Thus, multiple access is realized through assigning the connection a particular carrier frequency and selected time slot. As a result, the GSM can be treated as a system with TDMA and FDMA multiple access scheme. According to the latter, that is FDMA, a physical channel is a sequence of time slots denoted by the assigned slot number, which are placed on a selected carrier. Physical channels are arranged in pairs. Each pair consists of one physical channel in each direction, uplink and downlink. They are marked with the same time slot number on their carriers differ by 45 MHz. Due to frequency planning, a subset of carrier frequencies is assigned to each cell or its sector. Figure represents the frequencies and time slots assignment in GSM system. Let us note that the numbering of the time slots is delayed by 3 in downlink as compared to uplink transmission. Due to that, a mobile station realizing a connection to a base station in the assigned time slot never transmits and receives the signal at the same time. This way, an electromagnetic feedback between mobile station transmitter and receiver is avoided, and design requirements for RF and DSP blocks are not stringent. Thus, the computational power can be shared between the transmitter and the receiver. None of the carriers and time slots are devoted to a particular exclusive user. It means that the carriers and time slots can be used to perform different functions depending upon the carrier and the current state of the system. For that reason, we introduce a logical channel, a structure performing a particular task in our system. Here, some of the parameters or specifications are listed for GSM 900 radio transmission.